The GenViro Swift Kit is designed to detect the virus caused by COVID-19. The system includes a test strip, a saliva capture cylinder, the solution, the interface sleeve, and a meter. The GenViro Swift Kit will test your saliva to determine if you are positive for COVID-19. GenViro Swift is the first point-of-care testing system to pinpoint COVID-19 viral agents. To report the results of your test in seconds with the GenViro Swift Test Kit, you simply provide saliva to the receptacle, add the solution, insert the strip into the interface sleeve, and the interface sleeve into the GenViro meter. Place the other end of the strip in receptacle to see results. GenViro Swift provides results in approximately 10 seconds to determine whether you are currently positive for COVID-19. It's a simple process. Step 1. Carefully expel the saliva into the GenViro sample vial. Step 2. When you are finished, the professional will add the solution, insert the strip into the interface sleeve, and the interface sleeve into the GenViro meter. Place one end of the strip into the vial and hold for 5 seconds. Step 3. Within 10 seconds, GenViro meter will display your results. GenViro can determine whether you are currently positive for COVID-19. GenViro Swift Kits will be available at pharmacies, medical clinics, nursing homes and assisted living centers, dental and doctor offices, reopening businesses, hospitals, places of worship, and sports venues.
Let's review the process. First step is to expel the saliva carefully into the GenViro sample vial. When you are finished, the professional will add the solution and place one end of the strip into the interface sleeve and the other into the vial and hold for 5 seconds. Step 3. Within 10 seconds, GenViro meter will display your results. GenViro can determine whether you are currently positive for COVID-19.
The GenViro Swift Kit wholesales for $8.95, and the GenViro Swift Precision Meter costs $19.95. Each meter is good for 100 uses. Retail price for the GenViro Test Kit is expected to be $29.95.